As Aristotle once said, a friend is one soul abiding two bodies. Relationships between siblings are often unpredictable. Some are not especially close, and others get along very well. But two sisters from the Western Slope are practically inseparable. Whether it's academics or career paths, nothing can break their bond. And they were able to share that sense of connection with others during an emergency situation. Let me introduce you to the Murphy twins.
Just outside the small town of Gateway, you may have met Kaydie and Krystie.
Anybody who knows us knows that we're very close and we often do things together.
Everything that they have done in their entire life since birth has been together.
From attending Palisade High School to CMU, these twins were inseparable. After focusing on different trails for their careers, it came down to pre-med for Kaydie, and from there, Krystie would follow. The Murphy twins relocated to Virginia to continue their medical journey, pursuing the DO pathway, a holistic approach that aligns mind, body, and spirit. They said finding a medical school was no easy task.
I can remember when they were looking for their pre-med programs, and they flat said, if one of us gets accepted into a school and the other one doesn't, then there's no acceptance. And that happened.
Soon the Murphys started training in Mayheck in Asheville, North Carolina, and faced challenges in Hurricane Helene.
A report from the National Hurricane Center shows Hurricane Helene is the deadliest hurricane in the United States since Katrina in 2005.
Despite the loss of communication with Mission Hospital where they were training, both Krystie and Kaydie jumped into action.
So all of these people came in, and our hospital has never been fuller, but also to see everybody come together, all of the janitors and the nurses and the providers and the PAs and the med students that were still there before they were pulled. It was just such an amazing experience that I'm so grateful to have been a part of.
I don't know if you can really ever experience a sense of community like that outside of those circumstances, because this was a moment in time when everybody forgot about themselves and started thinking about what can I do for others.
After the storm, a spark of inspiration came to them, dating back from growing in a similar environment.
You know, growing up in a rural community ourselves and seeing how health disparities can impact our own loved ones who had to drive, 45 minutes or more to get to a healthcare facility for emergencies. It really made us want to have an impact in similar communities.
I am so proud of who all of my kids are. I am proud of their accomplishments and their title, but I'm proud of who they are.
Now, medical school is no easy task. Both Kaydie and Krystie tell me there were times where they were ready to call it. But their mom, Kelly, says with their family's support, there was no way they were going to let that happen. The sisters pushed themselves to the finish line, and they did just that. The Murphy twins just recently graduated and are now officially doctors. They will continue to serve rural communities and give back to Western North Carolina. Reporting in studio, I'm Kyle Kawamoto.